focus, shift the focus. Let me give you an example. Say, for example, yesterday we switched on the TV, and there was this thing about floods and water problems everywhere, which we've been seeing in Bangladesh. And I flipped and changed the channel to DW, and there was this interesting stuff on artificial intelligence and what is happening on the health aspects and perspectives and stuff. So the control is with people and stuff. So that's called being a little mindful also about what you watch, because then your knowledge and your acumen also grows. And they say that where your focus, where your attention grows, your focus goes. That's where the growth of your life, of your trajectory happens and stuff. And then favor quality products over quantity products and stuff. Find the time to buy and cook clean, good products. Enjoy your dinner, switch off from social media and from TV when you're doing it, and enjoy only your quality time at your workspace. When you're doing your work, just do your work and not anything else. And of course, when you have to kind of have connections, it's better to kind of connect physically with people than online. I'm not saying don't have WhatsApp or FaceTime voice conversations or videos or whatever, because technology simplified it. But if you can spend more time with people and stuff, that's where your relationships, your connect happens. You can express more, you can talk more, you can enjoy more. That has a more memorable experience than what you kind of do on TV or on video and stuff. So these are a few tips and stuff. So slow down, and of course when you slow down, you'll have stuff coming up. We are human beings, we have memories, we have experiences and stuff. So that's natural. So allow that to kind of flow, but have a good cup of chai or a coffee, and look at the positive and the quality and stuff. And you know that your life goes in a quality direction as well. And the author is ending the topic on slowness is the new modern. And I think for me, slowness means quality. Slowness would mean meaningful. Slowness would mean being flexible around things and stuff, and it would mean also having peaceful times, which kind of leave a good impression and a good effect on me as a person, even in the design world or architecture world, or even in maybe a forum, in a fashion show, maybe in a bookshop, maybe in a coffee shop, maybe in a retail outlet or whatever. So for me, more than quality, I think quality would matter more. And I'm not saying that it's only high-end stores which give you good experiences. Sometimes even hearts do. So even chilling or slowing down and going to a heart, or maybe just playing a sport, or maybe kind of just walking in the sun, or just lazing around in nature can give you a new perspective and stuff. So people are scared to do this because they don't want to address the stuff that comes up in their minds and stuff. But then when you do that, you're sorting out a lot of stuff which you could probably go to a therapist for, or talk to someone to mentor you and stuff. But when you do that, you will be able to kind of evaluate and understand and stuff. Okay. So love and luck. And slowing down also means speed, kind of slowing down your speed on stuff and having more of quantity. And on that, I think on that note, I think Speed would kind of make me want to recommend the movie Speed to you. Watch the movie Speed; it's amazing. There's more to the world beyond Bollywood. So if you can focus on quality, it also means quality cinema and quality experiences everywhere. So Speed is a good movie. So this is just a unedited video. So have fun, enjoy yourself, and have a blast. And you can write to me on jkapani@gmail.com or justinekapani.im@gmail.com. Thanks for your messages and your emails. And looking forward to meeting you and stuff. And hoping to be connecting in person and not on social media. Yeah, bye bye. Love and luck. Take care.